Tired of awkwardly describing the amazing sound in your video during Google Meet? Let's fix that. First, launch your Google Meet meeting and click on the Present Now button, located at the bottom of your screen. A small window will pop up, offering you three options: your entire screen, a window, or a tab to share sound. You need to select either a tab or your entire screen. I highly recommend choosing a tab if you're only sharing a video or content from a specific website. Select a tab and make sure the Share Audio checkbox at the bottom left is ticked. This is crucial. Alternatively, if you need to share sound from multiple applications or your entire desktop, choose your entire screen again. Be absolutely sure the Share Audio checkbox is selected before proceeding. Once you've made your selection and the Share Audio box is checked, click Share. A blue border will appear around the screen or tab you're sharing, indicating it's being broadcasted. Now, play your video or audio content as you normally would. The audio will now be transmitted directly to your meeting participants, so they can enjoy the full experience. When you're finished sharing, click the Stop Sharing button, typically located at the bottom of your screen or within the Meet interface. That's it.